another beautiful day here in the Tampa Bay area, and I'm up trying to savor the moment, because again, this is August 2023. We have slightly under 4 months left the rest of the year. So now it's time to do a temperature check, a touch point, an azimuth to see where you are with your plans for 2023 and how you're going to be postured to be effective in 2024. So that's why I'm setting up an exclusive training for select Turo hosts and select folks that have been struggling with optimizing their rideshare business or looking for opportunities to expand safe rideshare business. If this sounds like something that you'd be interested in and you'd like to learn more about an opportunity on how you can actually set yourself up for great 2023 and the rest of 2024, I'm going to be inviting you to a special training. Now, this training is not for everybody, it's for select individuals, and I'm telling you why this training is important for you. I'm not just sitting around and explaining myself day in, day out, and people are out here struggling. I mean, some people are actually having a great time. But at the end of the day, what you make of yourself is dependent on the effort that you put in. And I'm not going to tell you to put in effort because I like to tell people to just do whatever, because again, at the end of the day, it's not my call, it's your call. Your call, because you're the one that's going to have to make the decision. You're the one that's going to have to make the investments to channel your efforts and also set incremental steps that you're going to monitor. Okay, I'm not going to monitor that. I'm going to help you with the coaching aspect of it, holding you accountable. So in the bigger scheme of things, you are well aware of what it is that you're supposed to be doing on a monthly or quarterly and actually on a semi-annual and annual basis. So right now, this is my quarterly update. And I'm also inviting folks that are not already part of my exclusive coaching experience to then click the link that's somewhere below in the description. I'm going to leave that link and I'm going to see you in the coaching.